The moon, our constant companion in the night sky. We've all gazed up at it, marveling at its beauty, but there's a side we never see. The dark side. What if I told you there's more to this mysterious hemisphere than NASA has ever revealed? Join me as we explore the untold secrets of the dark side of the moon. The moon is tidally locked with Earth, meaning one side always faces us while the other remains hidden. This hidden side, shrouded in mystery and speculation, has fueled countless theories and stories. But what's really out there lurking in the shadows? NASA has sent several missions to the far side, but what have they truly found? And why is so much still kept under wraps? In 1959, the Soviet Luna 3 mission was the first to photograph the far side. The images revealed a terrain vastly different from the side we know, cratered, rugged, and mysterious. Fast forward to 1968, Apollo 8's crew were the first humans to witness it firsthand. Their radio communications were cut off from Earth as they orbited this enigmatic region, leaving them in complete silence. What did they see? And what were they told not to share? Over the years, various theories have emerged. Some suggest secret alien bases hidden in the craters. Others claim ancient civilizations once thrived there, leaving behind ruins that NASA conveniently ignores. Could there be any truth to these claims? But it's not just aliens. Some believe that the dark side harbors a massive energy source, one so powerful that it could change the fate of humanity. Yet, the evidence for these claims is always classified. Is it really that far-fetched, or is someone pulling the strings? NASA, a beacon of exploration and discovery, has remained notably tight-lipped about the far side. Sure, they've shared photos and data, but have they really told us everything? Why did Apollo 17, the last manned mission to the moon, abruptly end without further exploration plans? Could it be that they found something they weren't prepared to deal with? Declassified documents reveal strange anomalies in the moon's magnetic field and inexplicable heat signatures, but the official stance remains, there's nothing to worry about. But if there's nothing to hide, why the secrecy? In recent years, China has become a major player in lunar exploration. Their Chang'e missions have sent back high-definition images of the far side, and interestingly, they too have been less than forthcoming about their findings. What did they discover that led them to build the world's largest radio telescope, supposedly to communicate with the cosmos? Are they listening to something or someone? So what's really going on? Are the secrets of the dark side of the moon too dangerous, too shocking for the world to handle? Or are they just mundane facts cloaked in mystery by overactive imaginations? While we may never know the full truth, one thing is certain: the dark side of the moon continues to be one of the greatest enigmas in our solar system. Perhaps one day the veil will be lifted and we'll finally understand what NASA isn't telling us. Until then, the dark side remains in the shadows. If you enjoyed this exploration into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mysteries of the universe.